Leave them alone, Charlotte. Cookie, you wanna get out? Cookie, you wanna come out? Cookie, you wanna come out? Cookie? I don't think he wants to come out. Cookie, you wanna come out? Cookie. The door is open, okay? In case that you wanna come out, but I don't want Lucy to come out. It's windy outside, so they don't wanna be outside no more. Females are always sleepy. And the guys are always thinking, I don't have no treat. Why? Hey, I need to do dishes. Can you go to your house? You're sleeping there? I'm sorry, Charlotte. You sleepy? Cute. He just loved to be with Cookie because they've been friends from long time. Well, not long time, but they used to be together in the cage before I bought the females. So Cookie likes Charlotte likes Cookie. The two females are best friends. I'm sorry, the two males are best friends, I believe. But when it's about women, they fight for the females, and I don't like that. It's okay, don't be silly. You already know who am I. Oh, so cute wing. Oh, your feet is pink. Your feet is pink. Who is that? Is that a Cookie? Is that your friend Cookie? Cookie. Cookie. Look at your pink feet. Such a cute bird you are. Yes, you are. You look mad. Charlotte, are you mad? Your eyes are red. Let's check. These birdies are so cute. What is that? What is that? Guys, your treat is over here. Look. Charlotte. Charlotte, leave him alone. You know that I'm talking to you. Charlotte. 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 I'm gonna call you Pink Feet. Is that okay, Charlotte? Don't pretend that you're sleeping. These guys pretend that they're sleeping so they don't go to their cage. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you stalking these guys? Don't come and tell me that you're gonna sleep there. Don't pretend that you're sleeping, Charlotte. Don't stalk them, okay? Hey, I know you're awake. Hi, cute poo-poo. Pretty bird. Cute. She's sleeping there. You're sleeping, sweetheart. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Leave them alone, Charlotte. Leave them alone. That's Lucy. That's Lucy. Belongs to Cookie. No. No, you can't. No, you can't. You have Luna. She belongs to Cookie. You can go to Luna. Oh, Sunny wants to come out. So I think I'm gonna open the door for Sunny. Look, he's telling me that he wants to go out. You wanna come out? All right, let me open the door for you, okay? Behave good, please. Sunny? Are you coming out or not? Sunny? Not Toby, but you. Hurry, hurry. He wants to feed Toby first, I believe. All right, he's excited. Charlotte, I'm going to let Sunny come up from his house. Promise that you will behave good with him. No fighting. No fighting, okay? You and Sunny, no fighting. Is that a yes? Are you trying to sing to Lucy? That sounds like a crying. Look. Beautiful. Cute babies. Lovely. They are relaxing. I know, sweetheart. I know. You're tired. I know you're tired too, right? Even when they're sleeping, they're singing. Cute.